Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a contact form with Contact Form 7. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and install the Contact Form 7 plugin. After installation, activate it to unlock its full functionality. You will then see a new Contact menu item appear in your admin sidebar, which is where all the magic begins. This process takes less than 1 minute. Now, let's build your first form. Click Add New under the Contact menu. You will see a default form template, which is a great starting point. You can easily customize it by adding or removing fields such as text areas, email inputs, or even checkboxes. This flexibility allows you to create a form perfectly suited for your specific needs in just a few clicks. Next, we need to set up your mail notifications. Go to the Mail tab within your form editor. Here, you will specify the email address where you want to receive all form submissions. You can also customize the email subject line and the message body, ensuring all necessary information is included. This step is crucial for effective communication with your visitors. Finally, let's display your new contact form on your website. After saving your form, copy the unique shortcode provided. Then, simply paste this shortcode into any page or post where you want the form to appear. Your contact form will automatically render, ready for your visitors to use. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.